I need you to take a look at this account over here, because over the last 30 days, this account has been able to get over 99,000 followers. And on top of that, they're getting millions of views. I went through and I tried to calculate how many views they had over the last 30 days. And I stopped calculating at 5,500,000 and I wasn't even halfway. But what does this mean? How much money did they make with affiliate marketing? If I times this by 1%, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at if only 1% of people clicked onto the link in their bio. That means that 55,000 people potentially clicked onto that bio. That's nothing compared to how many views they're getting. Then if we times this by 1% of people that potentially bought from the original 5,500,000 people, that's 550 people, which is more than reasonable. They're promoting an offer that cost $45. That means that this account has made over $24,000 in the last 30 days